What language shall I choose while learning programming? Hi, I'm Amit and I make videos every day that last for only 90 seconds. And today I'm going to tell you about the language that you can choose while you are learning programming. See, when you learn programming, it's a complete different thing compared to any other thing that you are doing in your life. So if you do not get an output of what you do, if you do not see results, sooner or later you will get bored and you will start disliking your decision. So always choose a language that is easy to learn and implement, in which you can make something. Like you can choose languages from Python or maybe PHP if you are into web, or JavaScript or similar languages in which you can create something at your home and see the output, the real output. That will keep you motivated. Apart from that, any language is good to go because all the languages are almost same. They just have a different syntax. Whereas in languages like JavaScript, C, Python, PHP, in these languages, we have everything traditional. It's in pure English language. It's up to you, and that's for 90 seconds. See you tomorrow.